If you want your peace of mind, don't go for wood flooring. Like, the decking is wood. See. This house is about 50 years. This building is about 50 years. The landlord said his grandfather is the owner of this building. Before he was born, he met it while growing up. No, even they maintain house. Hi guys, welcome to Diaries. Today's video is going to be different because we are moving houses. In this video, I'm going to share about the things you need to do before moving houses, the things we did before moving houses, what you need to look out for when renting a new home, and also the mistakes we made and what we learned and lessons we learned from our mistake. My madam is here and we're about to have a bath. If this interests you, sit back, relax, and watch. Also share to anybody you know who is about to move houses, is experiencing difficulty in getting van and stuff like that, or is about to rent a home from outside the UK and don't know what to look out for when renting a home. This video is for you. Relax and watch. More so, I forgot to add, if you have children, if you have kids, this video is also for you because you're going to learn. Guys, like I was saying, we are about to move. So this is most of our belongings. I still have food in the freezer to pack. Everywhere is in a mess. Everywhere is in a mess. Like I said, the things you need to look at for when you're renting a home. First of all, the flooring. See, if you have children, don't go for wood flooring. I think God beg you. If you want your peace of mind, don't go for wood flooring. Like, the decking is wood. See. Did you guys hear that? The decking is wood. I will link the video of our house hunting up. We saw this house. We liked it. Everything check. EPC check. Distance to work check. But decking won't be what we wanted. If there were 2 adults living here, it would have been better. But now, if you have a child, toddler, wooden decking is not good because once the children is jumping, playing around, your neighbors downstairs would be disturbed. So guys, we packed all our belongings. This is what we are left with. We came back to clean up. You see how the house is spacious. Where is the light? Spacious. This house is about 50 years. This building is about 50 years. The landlord said his grandfather is the owner of this building. Before he was born, he met it while growing up. No, even they maintain house. It's not been easy packing, so we're going to clean this up. I'm going to show you the stuffs I use in cleaning the oven, the washing machine because I've cleaned them, the louvers. We've cleaned most of these things. We just have to clean the freezer and the fridge. They're dirty. We'll have to clean them. So guys, let's start the cleaning. This is our 7:30 right now. But in order to save money for cleaning, we just clean it ourselves. We have all the things that we need to clean, so we just clean it by ourselves. We only pay for shampooing the carpets. But like we say, we bought our own vacuum cleaner that can shampoo. We'll do it by ourselves. But since we don't have, we just have to what that English again, outsource the service. So they will come tomorrow to clean everywhere, the carpets, Then we'll clean the bedroom and toilets, and we'll clean the kitchens and every other thing, the mirrors, and then we'll come to do the floor. Whilst this is doing its work, I'll concentrate on this. This is what I sprayed on it. This is what I sprayed on it. So, I'll just try to clean it up. I've cleaned this place, I've cleaned this cupboard a week ago, so I'm just doing final touching of the cleaning. I cleaned it too last week because I know that it will not be dirty, so I'm just, you can see it's not dirty. It's actually not dirty because I did the thorough cleaning of it. So let's move over to our oven hob. I cleaned the oven hob few weeks ago, and it's clean. Don't worry, I made a video of how I clean my oven, my gas cooker. I'm gonna drop the link above now. Ooh, sparkling clean. I'm done with the fridge. I use soap and water for the fridge, and I used this Flora spray on the bottle on the white, and then I buffed it. Let me show you guys what I used to clean the kitchen. For the oven, I made use of this. I made use of this oven cleaner. It did the magic. For the sink, I made use of this and this bicarbonate. I made use of this. You can see how sparkling the glass is. So guys, so this is how the kitchen is. Neat. Check. Check, check. Windows, check. Check. The blinds, check. 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 Ooh, so we are done with kitchen. We are done with the kitchen. So guys, we are going to our new home. The cleaners will come and clean this place tomorrow. So this is the bathroom. Washing done by my darling husband. He's a professional cleaner. Clean, 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 clean. Everywhere sainting. The next semester will enjoy you because no need to clean anything. Everywhere clean, everywhere sainting, you know. Hey boy. No, too clean, Sha. It's so clean. Guys, can you see it? Clean, clean, we clean. We make sure we clean everywhere. Why am I cutting? We have to collect our deposit. Oh, so everywhere has been clean, guys. We're about to go to our new home. That place, we made it dirty. We're going to start cleaning all over again. When we called the agent, they said they sent cleaners. How did we not do? They didn't do a good job at all. Now we will now start cleaning that place again. This apartment is okay, just that. Can you guys hear that? Wooden decking, which is not good for family that have toddlers, because anytime my daughter jumps or anything falls on the ground mistakenly, my neighbors downstairs will hear it, because there is no even barrier. If you talk, my neighbors are hearing. They are hearing. And several we've been receiving mails, calls that your daughter is making noise. Yeah, she's making noise because she's a toddler, but she's inconveniencing them. And they said no, after 1 year, after the 1 year contract, we're going to look for another house because we cannot keep on holding her not to play. She has the right to play, to move around, but not to injure herself or break anything. But a child is a child. The toddler, they will fall, they will play, they will jump, you know. It's the jumping that's a problem for us, because once you jump, the noise or the sudden sound will disturb those downstairs, because it's wooden flooring. Everywhere is wood. So that was what made us to say, oh, we're gonna find another house. This is not convenient for my toddler, because we're always restricting her. Stay one place. What is it now? Enough is enough. We cannot leave her alone to say she wants to run up and down. Once she's running from parlor to room to toilet, bing, 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 that's what you'll be hearing. And to be disturbing our neighbors downstairs. So we say, okay, the next house we're going to look for a house that has concrete decking. Not be how either we stay ground floor or we live. If we want to live first floor, we want to live in a house that has concrete decking, or we live ground floor, because of the bing bing, the noise coming from playing and stuff like that. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.